Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a Google account, a Sheets file with clear headers, and a Make.com account. First, create a new scenario and add the Google Sheets module. Once added, click Connect and authorize Make.com to access your Google account. Make sure to pick the same account that owns the sheet. Then select the spreadsheet and worksheet. This establishes the link. It lets Make.com read headers and map columns, which you'll use for automation steps that follow. Once done with the initial connection, configure your trigger. You can pick watch rows, watch changes, or a scheduled trigger. Each behaves differently, so choose based on frequency and latency. Next, add actions. Map sheet columns to module fields by dragging or typing names. Use sample data to confirm types and formats. Then chain follow-up modules like HTTP, Gmail, or Airtable and connect outputs into their inputs. This creates the workflow. It ensures data flows correctly from Sheets into downstream services. You finish by testing and activating the scenario. Run a manual execution to verify mappings and outputs. Watch the execution log to see each module's input and output. Once satisfied, enable the scenario or set its schedule so it runs automatically. If something goes wrong, check the module logs for error messages, reauthorize Google Access tokens, and confirm the sheet range and header names. That troubleshooting step solves most issues. Rerun the test, and once green, your automated connection is live.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.